Hello everyone! Today we are going to make Tokwa't Baboy. It is a typical Filipino appetizer, and in this recipe I'm going to use pork ears. And it is approximately 4 pounds. And I use salt to scrub the ears one by one to make sure it is really clean. And I placed it in a pot of boiling water until they become tender. I want a crunchy Tokwa't Baboy, so I fry the ears. Another main ingredient, of course, the tofu. And I used a firm tofu, fried it to make it crispy outside but soft inside. So while we are frying the tofu, we are going to chop our pork ears, the onions, and the spring onions. Our tofu is done. It's crunchy outside and still soft inside. We cut it into cubes. Now that we are through chopping all the ingredients, now we will combine the pork ears, the tofu, the onion, the spring onion, and the rest of the ingredients together. I added a quarter cup of soy sauce. In Alaska, we don't get fresh calamansi, so I use 3 packs of calamansi juice that we buy from the store. I also added lemon juice and I used 1 whole lemon. I also added 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix it well. And I seasoned it with a tablespoon of cayenne pepper and a tablespoon of finely ground black pepper.